Have you ever wondered why your lips sometimes turn black? It can be an alarming sight, but it's actually quite common. In this video, we'll explore the various reasons why our lips may turn black, and what we can do to prevent it. Melanin pigment. The most common reason for dark lips is the presence of melanin pigment. Melanin is the pigment that gives color to our skin, hair, and eyes. When melanin production is increased in the lips, it can lead to hyperpigmentation, or the darkening of the skin. This can be caused by a variety of factors, including genetics, hormonal changes, sun exposure, and certain medications. Smoking. Another major reason for dark lips is smoking. The chemicals in tobacco smoke can cause discoloration of the lips over time. The nicotine in cigarettes constricts blood vessels, which can cause a decrease in blood flow to the lips. This, in turn, can cause the lips to become dry, cracked, and discolored. The longer you smoke, the more likely you are to experience dark lips. Dehydration. Dehydration is another factor that can contribute to dark lips. When your body is dehydrated, it can cause your lips to become dry and chapped. This can lead to discoloration and even cracking. Drinking plenty of water and keeping your body hydrated can help prevent this. Sun exposure. Sun exposure is also a common cause of dark lips. The UV rays in sunlight can cause damage to the skin, leading to discoloration and hyperpigmentation. This is especially true for those who spend a lot of time outdoors without wearing protective lip balm or sunscreen. Using a lip balm with SPF can help protect your lips from the damaging effects of the sun. Iron deficiency. Anemia, or iron deficiency, can also cause dark lips. When your body doesn't have enough iron, it can lead to a condition called koilonychia, which causes the nails to become thin and concave, and the lips to become dark and dry. Eating foods that are rich in iron, such as spinach, beans, and red meat, can help prevent this. Lack of moisture. Finally, a lack of moisture can also cause dark lips. When your lips are dry and chapped, they can become discolored and cracked. Using a lip balm or moisturizer can help keep your lips hydrated and prevent them from becoming dry and discolored. Conclusion. There are many reasons why our lips may turn black, including genetics, smoking, dehydration, sun exposure, iron deficiency, and a lack of moisture. By understanding these causes, we can take steps to prevent dark lips and keep our lips looking healthy and beautiful. Whether it's staying hydrated, wearing lip balm with SPF, or eating a healthy diet, taking care of our lips is an important part of our overall health and well-being. Stay tuned for more fashion tips, tricks, and trends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to be the first to know when we post new videos. Thank you for your support and for being a part of the Fashion ABC community. We look forward to continuing this fashion journey with you.